P Diamond here, and today we're going to tackle this problem. How many times have you pulled out the dryer and then you have to deal with this stupid corrugated foil vent duct? See, it's all dented in there, and then when you push it back you've got to fiddle with it and mess with it. Well, I found a solution, and I'm going to be installing an upgrade. So here's the problem, right? So when you do your annual dryer vent duct maintenance, which you guys should be doing, because if you let this build up, see all that down in there, you let this build up year after year, it decreases the efficiency of your dryer, and it could even lead to a fire. So I do mine at least every year. As you can see, it's not too bad, but this corrugated pipe, yeah, it's garbage. So here it is, all done. Now every installation is going to be different. This isn't really a how-to install video or anything like that, but I had to use a 0 to 5 inch periscope box right here. I'll put a link in that in the description below. It's pretty useful. You have to cut the ends off once you've figured it out. It's not perfect, not ideal, but it is what it is. But this is the magic right here. So this is the coupler. So it's got a magnet on both ends, and this here is a little flexible, so when you slide the dryer back it makes a connection, and you don't have to have all of that corrugated hose all bound up back in here and all screwed up and a big mess. So let me get the camera in the right place and I'll show you it connecting. It's pretty cool. Okay, I'm going to do my best to do this, keep it in. Let's see here. Done. It's like docking the space station. It's fantastic. So now when you need to pull the dryer out, all you got to do is pull it and it just pops free. Just like that. How stinking cool is that? So this is the item. It's called a MAGVENT. This is the MV90, so it has a 90-degree elbow. They make one that is a straight shot as well. You can buy them in various places. I actually got mine at Lowe's. So there's the instructions. Never even looked at them. And here's the Lowe's. There's the part number. What is that? 3674093 MAGVENT MV90, right? I forget what it was. I want to say somewhere around 50 bucks. I'll put the link down below. Difficulty scale, well, every installation is going to be different, right? But because I had that little periscope box thing, I had to do some modifying with some snips, tape it up. I was going to go with the hard duct pipe, 4-inch standard dryer vent pipe, but I ended up, just because the angles didn't work, I ended up cutting a piece of the old flex hose out and using that. But anyway, this isn't really a how to install it. It's just a video about a cool product that I saw that certainly makes pulling your dryer in and out a whole heck of a lot easier. Pretty cool little invention. I'm happy with it. P Diamond here, Jacksonville, Florida. Thanks for watching.